Hello everyone, this is Revathi working as an assistant professor from the SNS College of Engineering in, in the Department of Information Technology. In my today lecture series, we are going to see about assignment problem using branch and bound. The assignment problem deals with assigning um, ma- machines to task, workers to job, then scorers, players to the positions, and so on. First, we have to know about the branch and bound method. Branch and bound is a method for solving optimization problem by breaking them into a smaller subproblems and using a bounding function to eliminate subproblems that cannot contain the optimal solution. Then the assignment problem statement is let there be n workers and n jobs. Any worker can be assigned to perform any job incurring some cost that may vary depending on the work job assignment. The goal is to determine the optimum assignment that, for example, minimizes the total cost or maximizes the team effectiveness. The assignment problem is a fundamental problem in the area of combinatorial optimization. It is required to perform all jobs by assigning exactly one worker to each job and exactly one job to each agent in such a way that the total cost of the assignment is minimized. And actually, each worker should perform exactly one job, and the objective is to minimize the total time required to perform all the jobs. It turns out to be optimal to assign workers 1 to job 3 and so on. The assume for an example that we have 4 jobs that need to executed by 4 workers. This will be required to perform all jobs by assigning exactly one worker to each job and exactly one job to each agent. This is explained by our students. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dinesh of Ms.K.REVATI. Today we are going to see a job assignment problem using branch and bound method. Let there be an n number of workers and n number of jobs. Any workers can do any job, but they acquire some cost. Each one acquire different cost according to the worker. Now the problem is we want to assign an each worker an one single job by using an algorithm. So each one get an only one job, and we can minimize the cost level. This problem is to find an optimal solution using branch and bound method. Now we have three jobs and three workers. We have to assign each workers a single job by using two approaches. The first approach is for a particular worker, we have to choose what is the lowest cost work, and for the work for the job, we have to assign which worker would cost the low cost. By using these two approaches in a single optimal solution, we can find a solution in which each worker can do a single job. Now, as for the first job, worker 1 takes 9 cost, worker 2 takes 2 cost, and worker 3 takes 7 cost. Now, as for the job 2, worker 1 costs 6 cost, and worker 2 cost 4 cost, and finally worker 3 cost 3 costs. Third and final job, worker 1 cost 8 cost, and worker 2 cost 4, and worker 3 cost 1. Okay, we can choose assign the first job, and it takes 9, and the lowest of worker 2 is 3, and finally worker 3 is 1. So adding these 3 we get 12. Now let's assign job 3 into the worker 1. It costs 5, and then plus 2, and again lastly 3. It total cost 10. Now by assigning job 2 to worker 1, we get 6 plus 2 plus 1, and finally it costs 9. Now we have assigned job 2 to the worker 1, and let's go for the big one. By including 6, 2, 1, the total cost is 9. for G3, 6 plus 4 plus 2, total cost 12. Here final step, C1 and C2 are blocked, and finally we have G3 is 1, 2, 6 plus 2 plus 1, and finally total cost is 9. And hence by using the optimal solution for branch and bounds, we have assigned B1 the job 1 and job 2 to the A2 and job 3 to the C3.